Good morning, students. Today I will discuss with you the Mauryan Empire. Mauryan Empire was founded by Chandragupta Maurya. Chandragupta Maurya was a Brahmin pious person, Brahmin ruler, and he was lived in Pipala Bhinia in 4th century BC. Between 321 BC to 185 BC. Before the rule of Chandragupta Maurya, Magadha was ruled by Nanda dynasty. The founder of Nanda dynasty was Mahapadmananda, and the last ruler of Nanda dynasty, Dhanananda. So before the Chandragupta, the dynasty was ruled by Nanda ruler. They were very unpopular because of their tyrannical rule. Heavy taxation imposed on the common people. So they are unpopular due to the paying the policy of heavy taxation. So that time Magadha was ruled by Nanda dynasty, and Nanda ruler was very unpopular. Chanakya, that means Brahmin, whose another name was Kautilya and real name was Vishnugupta. He was also misbehaved by the Nanda ruler. So, in order to get chances, he helped the Chandragupta Maurya to ascend the throne. Chandragupta was trained by Chanakya. Chandragupta was trained by Chanakya. Chanakya trained him artillery and all the performance he done, he have known. So with the help of Chanakya, Chandragupta overthrew the last ruler of Nanda dynasty, Dhanananda. So Dhanananda was overthrown by Chandragupta Maurya, and Chandragupta Maurya ascended the throne with the help of Chanakya. This is the period, this is the origin of Mauryan dynasty. So Mauryan dynasty was ruled by Chandragupta Maurya. Chandragupta Maurya was succeeded by one number Bindusara, and number 2 Ashoka. Number 2 Ashoka. Bindusara was a Mauryan king and Ashoka was a Mauryan king. This is the brightest period. This is the brightest period of Mauryan dynasty. So Mauryan dynasty founder Chandragupta Maurya. Founder Chandragupta Maurya, and with the help of Kautilya. Another name of Kautilya, Vishnugupta. This is the before founder 4th century BC. Before 4th century BC, before 4th century BC, Magadha was ruled by Nanda dynasty. They were unpopular ruler were unpopular. Before 4th century BC, Nanda rulers were unpopular. Why? Because of their policy of heavy taxation. Because of their policy of heavy taxation. So before 4th century BC and after 4th century BC. This is the before 4th century BC and after 4th century BC. After 4th century BC, Chandragupta. Chandragupta, the founder of Mauryan dynasty, and he was followed by Bindusara, and Bindusara was followed by Ashoka. This is the brightest period of history. This is the brightest period of history. That means before 4th century BC, Nanda ruler were unpopular. Nanda dynasty ruled in Magadha. After 4th century BC, one number Chandragupta, number 2 Bindusara, and number 3 Ashoka was ruled in Magadha. Okay, next sources. Next, sources. History means sources. History means clue. History means hints. From where we get our hints? Historian, archaeologist. Sources. Sources means clue. Sources mean clues or hints There are two type of sources. One is literary sources, another one is archaeological sources. Okay, literary sources means Arthashastra and Indica. Arthashastra was written by Kautilya. And Indica was written by Megasthenes. The Greek. Who was Megasthenes? Greek ambassador. So, sources, clues or hints. There are two types of sources, literary sources and the archaeological sources. Literary sources included Arthashastra and Indica. Arthashastra were written by Kautilya or Vishnugupta or Chanakya, and the Indica was written by Megasthenes, the Greek ambassador. Okay, so Arthashastra has 3 parts. It deals with 3 parts. Internal administration and foreign relation was discussed. Internal administration and foreign relation was discussed in Arthashastra. It has 3 parts. First part deal with ruler and the council of ruler. Deal with ruler and council of ruler. Okay. Second part deals with civil and criminal cases. Second part. First part deals with ruler and council of rulers. Second part deals with civil and criminal cases. And third part have 15 sections, okay, which was further divided into 180 chapters. 180 chapters. It deals with political and administrative issue. It deals with political and administration issue. So, one of the sources is literary sources. One of the literary sources is Arthashastra. Arthashastra was written by Kautilya or Chanakya or Vishnugupta. It has 3 parts. First part deals with the ruler and the council of rulers. Second part deals with the civil and criminal cases. And third parts have 15 sections, which was further divided into 180 chapters. It deals with political and administration issue. So one of the sources is Arthashastra. Arthashastra was written by Kautilya, and he was also known as Vishnugupta. He was the advisor and the Prime Minister of Chandragupta Maurya. Arthashastra was written in Sanskrit, okay, and it deals with ruler and the council of rulers. It deals with civil and criminal cases, and it deals with political and administrative issues. So one of the sources, Arthashastra. Next literary sources, Indica. Next literary sources is Indica. Next literary sources, Indica. Indica was written by Megasthenes. Indica was written by Megasthenes, Greek ambassador. Greek ambassador. He had been sent to the court of Seleucus, the general of Alexander. During Indica, which contains impression, what he heard, what he saw in the Mauryan administration, all are written by Megasthenes in Indica. Okay, but its fragments still survive on writing of the later Greeks authors Strabo, Arrian and Diodorus. This is the source of Indica. Indica was written by Megasthenes. Megasthenes was the Greek ambassador. Megasthenes was Greek ambassador at the court of Chandragupta Maurya. He had been sent to the court of Chandragupta Maurya by Seleucus. Megasthenes was sent to the court of Chandragupta Maurya by Seleucus. Seleucus was a general of ruler Alexander. Okay, so today I have discussed with you who was the founder of Mauryan dynasty and how he ascended the throne. What is sources? Sources means clue or hints. What are the sources of Mauryan dynasty? Today up to this. Okay.